So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Educational Leadership Week 10 Assignment 10. So the first question is andragogy mean the understanding of the science and practice of dash. So these are the options and now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, what is andragogy? Andragogy means the understanding of the science and practice of adult learning. So the answer of our first question is A, adult learning. Now the second question is which of the following is not a principle of andragogy? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, principle of andragogy. The seven principles of adult learning include self-direction, transformation, experience, mentorship, mental orientation, motivation, and readiness to learn. So the answer of our second question is E, physical orientation. Now the third question is the best micro learning content is dash. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, the best micro learning content is under 6 minutes, focused on a single concept and specific to a role or objective. So the answer of our third question is D, all of the above. Now the fourth question is which of the following is not among the key metrics to show which courses are engaging learners and which could use an instructional design rethink. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, looking at key metrics such as total time spent learning, time spent on an activity, learner progress assessment, breakdowns, and qualitative feedback all help show which courses are engaging learners and which could use an instructional design rethink. So the answer of our fourth question is E. Now the fifth question is learning transfer is a process of dash. So these are the options and the answer of our fifth question is E. Internalizing, comprehending and applying. Now the sixth question is the solution for the learning need of willingness is dash. So these are the options and now let's check the answer of our sixth question. Question 6, adult learning need 3, willingness, solution, transferable skills. So the answer of our sixth question is D. Now, the seventh question is which of the following is a benefit of using LMS for self-paced learning? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question 7, fortunately an LMS provide collaborative social learning tools that combine the benefit of self-paced learning with the camaraderie and support of classmates, whether it's sharing useful resources, chatting about critical ideas, or discussing a difficult part of text. Teaching out through collaborative functional functions is always beneficial. So the answer of our seventh question is E. Now the eighth question is which of the following is not used to fulfill the need for learning by doing? So these are the options. And now the answer of our eighth question is E, lecture. Now the ninth question is DAS is also called self-determined learning. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, what is heartagogy? Heartagogy is a term coined by Stewart Hess and Chris Kenyon on Southern Cross and is called self-determined learning. So the answer of our ninth question is A. Now the 10th question is which of the following is an example of lifelong learning? So these are the options and now let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10th, example of lifelong learning, developing a new skill, example saving cooking, self-taught study, example learning a new language, learning to use a new technology, smart devices, acquiring new knowledge, taking a self-interest course. So the answer of our 10th question is E, all of the above. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.